Hi guys, welcome to LeapScholar. This is Mahima. I'm going to be walking you through my day. I'm a software developer. I'm from Mumbai, India. I live in Philadelphia, US. I work as a software developer for a company in New York. It's a bank. And I'm just going to walk you through my day and talk through it and just tell you guys more about what I do in a day, how I get through my day, how coding for me looks like, and just all the fun part of, just working. So yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. I've never vlogged before, but I hope you guys like it. So now you guys are in my kitchen. So the first thing that a lot of people asked me were like, why did you move to the US? Like, how young were you and stuff? So my sister lived in this region and I was just like, okay, this is gonna be family around, so it's a good decision for me. I did that. I came here. I obviously gave my TOEFL too. That turned out great. And then I had the whole visa interview process, which can be tricky, but if you have the right help, you can do well on that. So okay, let's get the day started. You guys will join. All right, guys. So you guys are entering my workstation area. This is where I work. I love it so much. It's like my own personal space. You can see the views from outside. It's a lot of fun. So, all right, guys, welcome. A little change in outfit. I just wear my hoodie on and then I sit for work because obviously I have to be on video for some calls. So yeah, that's all I do and it's good. It's 9:30 in the morning. I have my scrum very soon. We're gonna like go through everything and then obviously start coding. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. I had a very productive morning and now I'm going to make me some avocado toast for lunch. So I'm going to take you guys through that. So this is what my lunch looks like today. It's some bread, some guac that I made, and some eggs. I'm a very clumsy eater, but so yeah, I just generally take a lunch break around this time. I watch some TV along with it just to chill for a little bit. And then I get back to work around like 2. My work day generally ends at 5. I don't work long hours. So we're in Philly downtown. I'll just show you guys around how it looks. Philly is a nice city to live in. It's not that expensive, which is a good thing. I would totally recommend it. A lot of people who work in New York actually stay in Philly to cut down their expenses. So people call it the 6th borough of New York, whatever. I'm so tired. It was such a long day. But yeah, it was a lot of fun getting to show this to you guys firsthand. And yeah, now I'm just gonna cook me some dinner. I'm making some dal with roti. So I make fresh roti. It's a lot of fun. And yeah, watch some TV, call it a night. Yes, this is what my dinner looks like. Some dal makhani, some rice, watching some TV. It's 9:30. I'm in bed already. I sleep really early. I'm in bed and fast asleep by 10. But it was a lot of fun for me to walk you guys through my day. Keep on following LeapScholar for more such videos. And yeah, it was a lot of fun doing this with you guys and I hope to do it more often.